Can-Am Maverick X3 wheel alignment. X3 does not have any adjustable point for the rear wheels. I will show simple method how to check and adjust angle on the rear end. It is not precise but good way to make it by yourself. First, you need wire or thin rope and adjust steering wheel to the center position. Tie the wire on the one point at the rear, then wrap it at the central portion of the every wheel. In my X3, I had an issue with the rear wheel's angle. Method is of course the same for the front ones. You have to measure gaps between wheels and wire on the both sides. If values are different or too big, we have to adjust wheel's angle. Unscrew all 6 nuts on the rear end which support all trailing arms 18 key. For wheels angle adjusting, I have using transportation belt tied to the both rear wheels. It is very simple method to align both wheels symmetrically.
Thank for watching and please subscribe my channel.